back on Folkestone. So there's the beach that I won't be on. I'm out with the legend, oh dear, and the LG24, and my intentions is to do around here and in the next bay. The tide is on its way out. It's another hour and a half before low tide, so I thought I'd get down here a little bit earlier. I might just do a little bit on this beach actually, just down at the water's edge, just to see what there is. Yesterday was extremely windy. Let's just say 55, 60 mile an hour winds. So it should have churned something up. It certainly churned my roof tiles off. So hopefully we might find something decent, old even, on this beach. So I will have a go on this one first, just to be fair, and then I'll head over to the other two over there. Enjoy, see you at the first hole. Up first find, the obligatory vape. Crystal blueberry on the surface. 45. Numbers were jumping around, so that's why I didn't put you on to start with. Getting louder and louder. Oh, a bit of aluminium. Just a bit of aluminium. It's a 28, 29. Probably another bit of aluminium. Oh, minute. Absolute minute. See some bangles before. Oh dear. 38. 31 actually, sorry. Not 38, 31. Oh. 20p. First coin of the day. 2001, 20 pence a piece. So if I don't say I'm right today, I feel a bit under the weather, to be fair. $48, probably a 2 pence. Now, for the 48. Yeah, there we go. 2 pence. Jumping around everywhere. 24, 25, 23, 21. Let's just dig it and have a look. Jumping around everywhere. God. Look at that little ball. Minute. Absolutely minute. That LG24 pulled that out. I didn't show it, but obviously hole, spoil. 43 is a pound, but it was actually coming up on all the way over to the, oh right, okay, because it's an old one. It was coming over to the all the way over to the right, left. But yeah, it's an old one, old £1. 41.42. That should be an old pound. So I don't know why the other one come up as a 43. That's still sitting at 42. Let's see if it's an old pound. It's a coin. Yeah, old pound. Slightly different condition, this one. But yeah, old pound. So bankable, not spendable. Different, bit of aluminium. It's from a pump, pressure gauge, PSI and bar. So it's probably one of them hand pumps. Oh. Okay. Nice wet feet. Wasn't expecting that. As I always remember with the SP24 on the Simplex, fantastic on the beach. And I don't really get this one out enough. .25, 26, not very good sound. Probably a bit of aluminium. No, it's a bit of fishing tackle. 26, 27, occasional 29. So it's going to be a bit of aluminium by the sounds of that. Oh yes, traditional wrinkle. Well, it was there. Where'd it go? Got me there. How strange. It was there just a second ago. Oh, there it is. Oh, I didn't turn it on because I thought it was going to be crap. There's a 10p. Yeah, 10p. Well, where's it gone? That sounded terrible. That's a 5p. That little log there. Certainly wasn't giving me 5p numbers. But it sounded absolutely terrible. It's coming in at high 50s, mid to high 50s. Jumping around now. Now, sitting at 45 now. I don't believe it, it's a bloody ring. No, can't see anything. It's quite light. Could be silver. I'll have to have a look under my eyeglass because I can't see with my eyes at the moment. But the Jewellery Beach does it again. $22. £5p. 5 pence. Mm, 22 and then jumps up to 25. 25, 23, 25. It's grunting as well. Cool, grunting good and proper now. It is a coin. It's a penny. Yeah. It's a penny. And we're going to have a ring pull. A ring pull. $31. Oh, it's on the surface. 20 pence. 1997. $31. Oh. A popper. Just a button or a popper. Right, are you going to stay on this time? Ouch! I'll just show you the pathway. You can probably just see the hailstones rolling along. Huh? It hurts, to say the least. Anyway, I'll switch you off. Put that on Lost and Found. Getting a grunt at 21 as well. No, forget it. Ah, is this yours?
Thank you very much.
No, it's fine. I would have put it on Lost and Found anyway, so.
It's not really the treasure you're looking for.
No, 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 it's fine. All right. 45. Penny or 2 pence, something like that. Oh, it's already out. No, what is that? I haven't got a clue. No, haven't got a clue on that one. $42. Oh, more aluminium.